The corrugated ramp cleat is a rubber runner made for both indoor and outdoor applications, especially those involving inclining, declining, or slippery walkways. This rubber runner features linear corrugations that run parallel to the width of the mat. These corrugations primarily increase traction, affording the mat's users more slip resistance than normal. This surface pattern makes the runner highly suitable for slippery areas on either inclines or declines. This applies not just to foot traffic, but to objects you're transporting on the mat too. Furthermore, this mat scrapes debris from the soles of its users' shoes, helping you minimize the amount of contamination that enters your building. The corrugated ramp cleat is made of black styrene butadiene rubber, which is a type of rubber that excels at resisting moisture. It's completely impermeable to water, and you can easily remove any moisture from the mat by wiping or tilting the mat. Of course, the corrugated ramp cleat is very easy to handle and install yourself. If you need to, you can easily adjust the size of the mat yourself using a blade. As for installation, you can lay the mat down and, within reason, expect it to stay put without additional help. But if you're worried that your mat will shift around, a simple double-sided adhesive will keep the mat in place.